ice cream, whipped cream, and the chocolatey Britannia Good Day Chunkies to top it off makes this shake a sweet explosion. Hi everyone, this is Mini Mathur, and today on the Britannia Dessert Carnival, I'm going to be making an awesome chocolate overload freak shake with Good Day Chunkies crunch. So to make this shake, you will need milk, you will need Good Day Chunkies. Okay, this is a great way to add chocolate, and I'm going to be adding chocolate ice cream today, but if you like, you could also do vanilla. But since it's chocolate overload, we will go with everything chocolate. I'm going to be using cocoa powder because this really brings out the bitter chocolate in it, and it's a nice antidote to all the sugar going around. And what I'm going to do is add just a little bit of chocolate sauce to it. That's all it takes. I put the ice cream and it's done. So the Chunkies tip of the day is that I always add a banana to this shake. If you want to make it really heavy and more creamy, then that's the way to go. Also, if you're giving it to your kids, that's a good way to get that banana in. Now, I've kept my jars ready. Now, to make it look more attractive, I'm going to take some chocolate sauce and basically smear the insides with it. That is done. Choco overload freak shake ready to be poured. And that's it. My chocolate overload freak shake with Good Day Chunkies is absolutely ready, and it's going to be an explosion of sweetness and crunch. Trust me, you will like it. Do try it at home, and if you do, please like us, do share my recipe with other people, and if you do want to know what's going on at the Britannia Dessert Carnival, subscribe. Till next time, this is Mini signing off.